Good. Can you guys hear me? Good morning, guys. Hope you guys can hear me. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Okay. All right. I hope everyone had a good weekend. Let's see what we can do with today's carnage. Should be fun. Should be very fun. I'm gonna take light SPY calls. IV is very, very high. All right, IV is very, very high. Any positions that we have to take are gonna be light. But I'm gonna take SPY calls, 381.50 stop. It's basically going to coincide with 225 on the option contracts. Hopefully we won't even see that. But IV is very high, and the contracts are gonna be moving very sharply up or down. Yeah, we can see the contracts are moving wild right now. So make sure any positions that I'm saying today are going to be light. IV is 65%. So they're going to be playing around with people's premiums a lot today. It's a risky day to day trade. So go light. $381.20 is major support. So I'm still holding the contracts. This is a pretty bullish move. So if this doesn't continue, I'd be very surprised. Hold that! Sorry, guys. Easy money, man. Easy money, man. Crap. 25%. Make sure you guys are taking some profits. Disgusting move so far. Closed above 382.50. 383.20 is major resistance. Disgusting. Usually this should just continue ripping. As long as this remains above 382.50, this is good. Oh, shiznacks. We, Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This, oh man, this, holy crap. Shit. God. Holy crap. Jeez, man. What a blessing. God, what a blessing, bro. This is wild. Holy sh. Contracts are up 63% in what, 4 minutes? Oof. Oh no. I think we, oh man. All right. Now, this is, oh my, this is where late bulls are going to. Wild. What a blessing. Oh my God. Holy sh. Holy crap. Ay, ay, ay. %83 in 5 minutes. All right, basically now, this is kind of at a loss for words, but I'm gonna try my best to explain what's going on. But I'm kind of at a loss for words. I don't know what else to say. If you guys made money so far, can I see some ones in the chat? This is insane, man. I promise you, while everyone is here, I promise you, we're going to force the industry to become better in a way that no one is in a position to do so at the moment. There's no one in the industry except me at the moment that's in a position to force the hand of everybody in the industry. Everyone in the industry right now that's charging, that's selling courses, that's doing all of this stuff. There's so much politics being played. They're trying to play behind the scenes that I just can't talk to you guys about. But there's no one else. I promise you guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg in terms of what's about to happen. And this is, I mean, just watch. Just watch what ends up happening with the entire industry. Like, it's going to be changed forever, honestly. And everyone that's on the ride, everyone that's been supporting me and everything, I can't thank you guys enough. So just watch. Just watch. It's, don't try to short extreme strength, especially on the first leg down, you know? It's not worth it. 383.90 held. Basically 384 level. This is truly a blessing. And yeah, the only thing I could say is, as you guys make more and more money, make sure you guys continue giving to charity, because you got to prove to God, prove that you're worthy of having your blessings. At the end of the day, like, we're all very, very lucky. All right. And just make sure that you are always, make sure you guys are always like quick to give, because when you do that, you're just going to get more. It's very simple. It's a very simple formula about how the world works. If you just, how God, whatever you want to call it. Oh my God, New Hive Day. There's a saying that if you give, like, God gives you so much more that you can't even understand. So yeah, like, if you give charity, you're gonna end up getting so much more in return. So just always give. We've been put in a situation where we could make a crazy stupid amount of money in a few minutes looking at a chart on our phones or our laptops. Just always keep that in mind. Always give back. Don't ever be greedy, because if you get greedy, if you're greedy, pigs get slaughtered. So you get greedy, there's always someone like me around. So just don't ever get greedy, but just understand that we've been blessed, and always give back and stuff. So it's crazy. Ugh. It is truly crazy. I want to see if we can fill everything here, but I'm not sure. It's crazy. My bias for the day was because we gapped down so heavily and because the IWM is just extremely far away from the lower Bollinger Bands, that like you just had to be long. I was saying on Friday that Friday and Monday would be days where we can buy the dips, and especially on a day like today when we gap down even heavier. Wait a second. When we gap down even heavier, it would be an amazing opportunity. Holy crap. I want to see if, oh my god. All right, the contract's up 117%. I just want to see if we can get to 200%. I'm not sure, but $385 needs to hold. On a normal day that we're not this overextended to the upside or to the downside, this would be a good opportunity to go short. That's why I said hold on, wait a second. Like when we hit 386, that was a good opportunity to go short, but I'm not entirely comfortable. Basically, it would be a short that you would take if you were trading alone, but I just want you guys to see the chart, basically what's happening. 386 was major resistance on the SPY. 290.30 was major resistance on the NASDAQ, and the 200 SMA and 174 is basically major resistance on the IWM. So for like a quick scalp that you can do on your own, still, regardless, it would be a quick 10-15%. But I just didn't want to share it with you guys because the bias right now is very, very bullish and there's a lot of buyers stepping in. So I didn't, I mean, this is normally like a beautiful short, but holy crap, banks are getting pummeled. Mackie Mac, clean it up, brother. We are behind you. I've been doing this for more than 20 years, wondering when real change will come. It's gonna work out. It is definitely gonna work out. 100%. And it's gonna be amazing. We're all going, it's gonna help. And that's the main thing. It's gonna help and it's going to be very, very helpful. That's it. And like I said, soon I'm going to be trading throughout the day. Right now I only trade until like 10:30, 11. I only stream until 10:30, 11. And then afterward I have mad stuff to do. I have a lot of stuff to do constantly throughout the day, but soon it's gonna be over. I'm gonna be sharing so many trades every day. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna go back to what makes me the most happiest. Damn, this looks so strong. Damn, this looks so strong. This is crazy. This is insane. This is really, really insane strength, man. If this holds above 386 and we get like a strong close above high day, then it's kind of scary, actually. I'm telling you guys, normally this would be an amazing short. Algos would be stepping in right now and shorting with 386.60 stop. 100%. 100%. This would be a really, really good short. I really we should This is again like this is a great. This would normally be such a beautiful short. Ooh. If they rip it up, oh my god, if they rip it up, this is going to be disgusting. Holy crap. This is, oh my god, this is ridiculous. Disgusting bear trap. If they rip it up from here, holy crap, this wouldn't even make sense. This would be crazy. That was a brutal bear trap. Holy crap. That's why you can't, what normally would work, when there's this amount of buying pressure, you cannot do that. Holy Hmm. Mm-mm. Yeah, this is crazy. RIP Bears that tried to short. Contract shot up like 160%. This is the puts are moving so quick. This is crazy. This is crazy. You could make such a crazy amount of money right now if you're just quick with your scalps. This is insane. Shit. Ooh. This is disgusting. $384 50 is on the table. Should be on the table. Damn, the contracts are like moving up like 10% with baby moves. It's disgusting. I think I have like food poisoning today. Like I'll be right back. Wow. Thank you for the stars, DF. Tesla's IV is so high. I would have loved to buy some swing calls. Like, not worth it. Damn. Sent me 6 stars. Thank you, DF. Appreciate it. Is it really likely to make this your full-time job being profitable? Yeah, but at first you can't expect to automatically be profitable, and then you can't expect to just become, make this your full-time job without putting in the hours and without first proving to yourself that it's possible. So you're not gonna be able to do that unless there's, at the end of the day, money talks. So if you can the thing is consistency. So aim for consistency. if you're consistently making some sort of wins, right? If you're consistently making some sort of money and you're consistently being smart with your losses and not allowing your losses to grow, right? And if you can consistently see that you're making money, then more power to you. That's the goal. You can't just, the more responsibility and everything you have, you need to make sure that you handle your life first before you take an exorbitant amount of risks that aren't necessary. You'd rather have a job, make this work, and then eventually this will end up being your side hustle will end up being more profitable than your job. That's the goal, and that doesn't happen unless you consistent. Lift with Dooley. Yep. Got you soon, brother. Thank you. I'm gonna take light SPY calls again. The thing is that these contracts are moving really fast, so just damn, I don't know. Just be careful. They're moving like 10% in a blink of an eye, and then yeah. So basically, in terms of price action, we just want it to remain above 384.15, 384.10. Like we already moved up. Like contracts are moving really fast, and especially down here, things can be choppy. But the 50 SMA and the 200 SMA are both coinciding perfectly with 384.40. Don't get caught. Like this is basically like this could basically be a bull trap, but they're not allowing it to drop, and the contracts are moving very fast. I'm gonna sell the remainder, and we could rebuy into something as it jumps up again. On a restructuring of momentum, there's going to be choppiness, especially when there's choppiness. When the IV is this high, the contracts can play around and move very quickly. The direction isn't as clear as it was in the morning. We can still fall another dollar and then bounce. But all right. This is another opportunity to go long. They're just not letting it close above the 10 SMA. 384.50 needs to hold. Contracts are moving ridiculously. Doesn't contracts like this red candle, if you guys were looking at the premiums, it fell almost like 20% within less than a minute. Yeah, my bias for the remainder of the day is going to be bullish regardless. but that's as long as we can hold above 382.50. 382.50 is going to be like the line in the sand for bulls and bears, in my opinion. But yeah, IV is very high. You're gonna have to be much more loose, and you're gonna have to get the direction of your plays correctly. On days like today, you can't really have stop losses in terms of percentages. You would have to have stop losses in terms of closes on price action. So what I mean by that is, like, if we go long, for example, right now, like on days when IV is very high, right? If you were to go long and the contracts are like $2, normally you could say, okay, I'm gonna have a stop loss for 180 on the contract, right? Which is a 10%. Because the contracts are fluctuating like 10% in like very small price action, in terms of price action, right? Like a 20% move, a 20-cent move can cause a 10% decrease in the contract, but that doesn't mean that you sell it, right? So on days like today, you can't have stop losses in terms of percentages. You would have to have stop losses in terms of, okay, for example, if it closes below 385.50, then I'm gonna close. Does that make sense? So yeah. Hope that makes sense. IB is still above 60%, so don't get chopped out. Don't try to chase around plays. Don't get greedy. Don't FOMO. Don't just. It's not worth it. I know 100% there has to be, like, because we all feel the inclination to try to catch every move. Just be patient. Wait for market conditions to simmer down. Make it a better opportunity. Take a deep breath. Just relax. Don't chop out your portfolio trying to catch every single move. I'm sure, for example, like, we've all been like in a position where if you don't have any more buying power and then you start looking at the charts, you're like, oh, this is going to do this, and then it ends up happening. It's because you can think more logically. But in the moment when you have money and you want to try, like, oh my god, you're excited, right? You just have to calm down and trade with a level head and not overtrade. Just be patient. Honestly, guys, like the best traders, and I'm talking about like 7, 8-figure traders that are also just normal people. Everyone ends up getting comfortable and then just making stupid decisions. Like, you can't do that. Like, especially, like, you have to clean up your habits before you get that amount of money, so that when you do get that amount of money, you're able to keep it. So the habits that you develop when you have a smaller account size will translate into when you have a 50K account size, 100K account size, etc., etc., etc. But if you're not capable, oh, I wish I had more money, but like, we all like to say stuff like that. 100%, we've all been there. I understand, but you have to take responsibility. You have to look at yourself and say, okay, if I can't flip 5,000, or if I'm not consistently profitable with a few thousand, whatever it is, whatever amount of money that you have, if you're not consistently profitable with that, then no more amount of money is going to help you. So with options trading, 100%, like, I would recommend everybody, you guys have to have a cash account so that you're not restricted with the 3 day trades a week. So convert your account into a cash account. That's number one, so that you have basically way more day trades. Then with that being said, just have to if something isn't working, you have to take responsibility for it and try to fix it. If you blame the market, or if you blame MMs, or if you blame like anything, right? None of that stuff matters at the end of the day. You're losing money. Yeah, contracts moving way too fast. To scalp, right, and to day trade like this, you need to use market orders. You can't use limit orders. So, for example, if you're trying to do that on Webull, you have to use market orders so that your order gets filled. That is crazy. All I can say is for the remainder of the day, just don't overtrade. Secure your profits. If you guys made money already, I would just call it a day, honestly. I would call it a day and let the market simmer itself. I would have some swing calls, whatever, but obviously, like, I'm still swinging, right? But to be safe, if you're up for the day, don't even bother over trading and trying to day trade even more. It's not a suitable, it's not really a suitable, it's not a safe trading environment. Very, very volatile. Every little baby move goes up or down 10, 15% in like seconds. So this is literally like, if you want to blow your account up, this is the day to do it. So just be patient. Platinum and silver are up huge today. I used to trade platinum. I used to trade all these metals so much. I stopped. Baba is back down to 83. Yo. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Sec. Love you guys. Have a good one. Take care. Please, please don't overtrade. Be patient. The market's not going anywhere. Just please take it from me. This is not like, if you are going to trade with like a very much smaller position size than you normally would. Especially now. The market's already moved. We already caught the move up. Now things are going to like fluctuate right below resistance. They're going to hold 380, 250. It's going to be in a range until we break it. So just please, it's not as one directional at the moment. So be patient. I understand. I feel the same way. I want to keep on trading. There's so much money to be made, etc., etc. I'm telling you guys, please just relax. The market's not going anywhere. I promise you the market is going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be here the day afterward as well. But what isn't is your portfolio. Trading is basically an infinite game as long as you have money. You can continue trading as long as you have money, but if you aren't doing what's necessary to retain your capital, then you're going to be sidelined until you can fund another account. And then all of the time that you could have been looking at the market, actively trading, becoming a better trader, using actual money, all the things that you would have learned from personal experience by feeling what it's like to be in trades, you end up not experiencing it because of a day like this, or a day like this where you want to overtrade. It's not worth it. In the long run, it hurts you even more. So just please be patient, okay? Love you guys. Take care. Have an amazing day. I will be here tomorrow morning. And yeah, take care.